Indian culture is based on Sanatana values. The Sanatana values are eternal and functionally unifying. Therefore, association with these values is absolutely necessary. These values are all timely, ever relevant, and all welfareistic. Humanity cannot escape from these Sanatana eternal values, as these are inevitable for an appropriate and smooth functioning of the system from the individual to the universal level. For thousands of years, the Indian culture, purely tied to Sanatana values, has been dedicated to greater human welfare without any kind of discrimination. There were continuous attacks on Indian culture. The invaders, the tyrants, and the fanatics made many efforts to disintegrate the original cultural form of Hindustan. But in their outrageous efforts, they always failed. Glory and pride of Indian culture is still intact. Indian culture is, in its original form, still exemplary for the whole world. The Sanatana eternal values, which constitute the core foundation of Indian culture, include the active goodwill towards all living beings originating from the one and the same source, to accept the truth of natural human equality, to move forward continuously, to do anew with cooperation of fellow beings in a state of harmony, having the spirit of inclusiveness, along with the determination to be always innovative on the pathway to the development, making unity in diversity the basis of peaceful coexistence. These very Sanatana values are the foremost characteristics of the Indian culture. At the same time, adjustment in ideas or attitude adjustment, toleration, and pure-heartedness, which are central to the basic Indian philosophy that has greatly influenced Indian culture, are also included in the foremost features of this culture. It is for this reason that, along with Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, all welfareistic proclamations like Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina, Sarvam Shanti, or Lokanukampai, and a unique wish like Live and Let Live appear as the core messages of Indian culture. Indian culture has been expecting its followers to be committed to the Sanatana eternal values in line with these proclamation and objectives. At the same time, it has been urging them to dedicate themselves to defend these values and apply them in their behaviors. Indian culture still wishes the same, especially from Hindustanis. We have to bear the essence of Indian culture in our heart and to move accordingly to make India iconic as a Vishwa Guru.